Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here because we are going to take a peek at what's inside of this box, which right now is a little glarish. So let me open it up. I hope you are all well. If you are new here, welcome. I know you still can't see that, and that lid is probably going to pop right over on my boom. However, I wanted to go through this and show you. I am just on the heels of having done a really, really fun video where Demi actually joined me, and I'm trying to think. I think it aired maybe last week. But it was testing the Sharpie Create markers. The link to them is in the description for Amazon. And after Demi left, I said, okay, I wanted her to test them because I want to give them to her when she goes to school with her journal. Now, you're probably saying, I'm going to move this out of the way and we'll look through this. You're probably saying, Angela, you said she didn't want a journal. She didn't. However, she does like to doodle. It's a good, for her, it's like a form of meditation, much like her mama that we talked about. And just writing things is relaxing to her. So I decided to, even though she didn't want a journal, because she's very much like me in the fact that she doesn't want to write a lot. But sometimes through your art, and she also does not consider herself artsy, but she is very, she just needs to give herself permission. But sometimes through your art, it is, you can let out your emotions and all of that good stuff. I'm trying to get what we're going to do here. So I wanted to show you and tell you it is, I hope if all goes well on my scheduling, it should be, I should be almost home from vacation. It should be July 8th. And I want to show you what I did to kind of prep, because after I get back from vacation, we are going to do this together because some of you asked, and I think it will be fun. So far, I have, these are smaller. These are the rose gold discs. Now, I think I have some black ones, which I probably won't use those. And I may get some bigger ones just so she doesn't have to switch out things, because these are a little bit small. However, what I did in advance of, oh my gosh, I just thought of something that will go perfect in here. In advance of us doing this together, I wanted to show you what I created. So what I want to do is handwrite some prompts with those markers. I'll get her in her own set of those markers, but, you know, just like some drawing prompts and things like that. But I decided that, what am I doing with these? Maybe I was going to use, I don't know. I decided instead of repurposing this one, which is lovely, what we will do together is make a new one. So I'm going to make one that matches what I've got here. And then we are also going to make some of these folders. So that is one plan that we've got. Then what I did to prep for us is I have these that are already Happy Planner sheets. So I was going to try to figure out how to put them in. But I've already cut all of the major pieces down to size. Excuse me. Now, one thing, so I wanted to just show you kind of the colors that I'm going with. I think she'll like these. They're nice, they're bright, yet they're still pastel, and they just kind of scream happiness to me. One thing I want to do is put lots and lots of just plain paper, not lined paper, which I will put some of that in too. And I may just put that little lined paper in. You guys can weigh in. But I want to put some watercolor paper because I want to give her some watercolors. I want to give her those markers. Just a few different mediums for her to play with. And I may, I don't know, two things I could do. I think it would be easier if it was all just in one spot. The other one is I could just get her a watercolor book, but I kind of want her to be able to use this in a different way. So I think I can just cut my watercolor paper down to size, and then I have the punch to punch this all, but I'm not going to punch anything until after we make the cover. So this is kind of our theme. I've got a few other pieces that I will go in. I just don't know where. So those will go in there. This I want to tuck in there somehow. Let's see. This is from 78. It says there are 2 lasting gifts we can give our children. One is roots, the other's wings. I did think about putting this on the front, but if I laminate it, that won't quite work, and I don't want her to have to worry about getting it dirty. So we've got to figure out what we're going to do with this. I thought I think I want to pick out some specific hymnal or songs for her from a hymnal. And then I thought this was really cool, and I thought there would be some way I could tuck these in as little journal pages, and just not use that, but just things to think about. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us or we find it not. Emerson. And then these cute little, some of the cute pictures are cute, some of them not so much, but I thought I could just stick those in here and there. So we've got that, and we've got our page kind of process figured out. So in our series, and I will do it start to finish for the most part. Let's see. Here's some of my ideas. Stationery, because I thought it would be fun. I did get some stationery out because she likes to do handwritten cards, so I need to find the envelopes for these. Writing paper, large. Tiny notes for me, so I thought I would just stick those in little places. A calendar, I'm still on the fence about that. I am going to do prompts, some more verses. I'm going to make some paper clips specifically to match her little book. Maybe a planner pouch, because she's very neat and organized as well. And so I think she'll want something to put all of her markers and paints. And then make the pages, which we're all ready kind of doing. So in addition to that, what do I have? Oh, I believe I have some Braille I thought would be fun in there. And then I don't know if I've shown you. I think I did. But these are some of the elements that we're going to be using in there too. Oh, is that? I got a shadow somehow. I don't think we're going to need these, but I've got them. These are vellum. These are just die cuts. Oh, how did I get 2 of these? Are they the same? So maybe one of these, I'll just take this one. I'm going to put a note on it. Tuck in journal. That way she can actually play with these. And maybe just to make sure I don't forget what I was talking about, because you know that happens often with me, is we will find one of these pockets and I'll stick there. There it is. See, I could do the same thing with this too. That seems like a good idea. Just some things she can play with. So it really feels like, and like those as well. I think she'll have fun with those. These I might use. Okay, we're going to tuck these inside the journal too. There we go. So these I may use. Whatever I don't, I will put together in a cute way so she has all of them. I don't know that she would use these, so we're probably okay. But some of these we will probably use. All right, and then what else do I have? Let me just show you what I pulled. Oh, I already have the paper clips. I think I also need to write this down. She loves wax seals. So no, you guys, I know she's only going 30 minutes away, but still for her, I think this will be good. So I might get her a kit to make the wax seals, but I'm definitely going to put those in for her if she wants to, you know, glue them onto a page. And then these are some of the little paper clips that I've done for her. Some over the top. So there's a bunch there. I forgot I did those. And then I think that's about it. I've still got some paper left over. I mean, some big pieces that we can use from that kit. And then I'll probably have to supplement. I may do my own digital, just have some backgrounds so I have more pages and can print it out like on a nice stock if needed. I don't know if I need to or not, but all right, I'm going to put all of this back. And then the last thing I want to show you is what I've already, these are all my scraps. So we're ready to roll there. And then this is what I've pulled and or made throughout our time over the last month or so when I decided I was going to do this. But I think all of these can go in there nicely. So I got coin envelopes. A lot of these I think we did during the Smash a Stack. So we're going to do that. And I have a lot. So I'm sure that I won't need all these. I don't know that she is going to want all of this stuff in there. So I have way more than I need. I could probably actually make 2 of these. I love this. But I thought these little things would be cute to put little notes in for me so she could pull them out and see them. I did do one of these that I thought I would put in for her to be able to write on. I do have the other one not finished. So we've got a lot of good goodies that we can use for this. So we will see where it takes us. But the hardest part, I think, and I don't mean it as in difficulty, but the hardest part is probably going to be in me deciding what I want to do for the cover. So, but I just thought of something I wanted to do. I have that fabric, which the name is escaping me. The ladies in pink in Paris. Oh gosh, there's a certain brand of it. I can't remember. I think I might want to use that. So I know this is a quick video, but I just wanted to kind of give you a little heads up on what we will be doing together. If you're interested in doing a happy planner together, or a happy type planner, a planner more than a junk journal, then join me and I will give you all of the details and what you need. So far, all you need really is paper. A laminator is not required, but if you have one, that's fantastic too. But don't go out and buy one. There are alternatives. So we're just going to play and have a good time, and I hope you come by and see what we're up to. So until then, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.